Hello, hello, hello. This is officially day 3. I had my days mixed up yesterday. So it's past the 72-hour mark. Excuse me. Yeah, it's past the 72-hour mark. As you can tell, I am super swollen. My face, my incision site is sore and itchy. And I had that patch on yesterday behind my ear. As you can see, it's gone now. I took it off last night. I haven't taken my medicine as of yet this morning. But look at how poofy and swollen my face is. And hopefully it'll go down in the next couple days. The binder thing they have me wearing, it is starting to become irritating. And they didn't bandage my wound. Like I said, they put like Dermabond or that liquid bandage on it. They sewed me up on the inside and they put the Dermabond around the outside. And in order to stop the binder from rubbing against the incision sites, I have been putting a gauze on top of it, and then I take it off in the mornings, or either that night. But yeah, excuse me, y'all. I have gained since the surgery about 5 pounds, maybe. But I'm sure it's water weight and swelling because my body is trying to heal. I am going to take my medication shortly, but I'm in super amounts of pain. I'm not gonna say super. I'm in uncomfortable amounts of pain. But the New Year's on Monday. It's now Saturday, and I have some things that I need to complete before Monday. But my phone is running out of storage. That's what I'm recording on. So I guess I will talk to you guys a little bit later.